finally left the Airbnb. Again, late start, 2 p.m. All good. We got all night, baby. But we're headed to the beach. We're going to Praia dos Estudantes. It's only a 12-minute walk, so we'll see how it goes with the old folks. And in the meantime, we're just sitting on a stoop waiting for some croissant sandwiches.
Look at this.
It's all wrapped.
That looks delicious.
These beaches are beautiful. They're all connected by these like mini caves, and there's 3 separate ones with unbelievable cliffs, gorgeous water. It's incredible. It's exactly what you envision when you think of the Algarve coast. Typically, beach days don't make for the best content, but I hope with that beach you guys can see how incredible they are.
It's so beautiful. It's like exactly what you were expecting, but also so much better at the same time.
Totally.
We booked a boat tour to the Grottos. Very excited.
Thank you so much.
Oh, thank you guys very much.
you.
That was awesome.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Enjoy your days.
We've just drove about 40 minutes to get to this beach. It's called Praia de Marinha. Probably not saying that correctly as per usual, but it's known to be one of the most beautiful beaches in Lagos. It was a struggle to get a parking spot. Should have gotten here earlier, but that's okay. We're on no time constraints, so we're headed down to the beach now. We dropped off Eileen and Brooke, so it's just the three of us making the long walk down to La Praia, the beach.
These beaches are crowded, but they are beautiful.
This is amazing. I don't think I've ever seen a beach like this before. It's just, I mean, there's so much to take in. There's massive cliffs, bluest waters, there's caves and arches. It's so unique. Is it good? Unbelievable.
We just stumbled across a phenomenal Indian restaurant. I'm not sure where the influence comes from, but there's tons of Asian and Indian restaurants here. No complaints on our end. It's like our favorite food.
Once the sun goes down, this place just pulls right off and it just comes alive.
What's going on? Thank you so much, you beautiful, beautiful human.